bitch.
Bitch da puttar.
You need a fucking ice cube, bitch.
I need. I'm very hot blooded, unlike you. I need like thande cheeze around.
Acha. Which is why you come here to the office and wear a jacket. Wear my jacket, no? Is that what it is?
Current wardrobe is. What does current wardrobe suggest? Man?
Right.
In fact, yeah. Why is this down?
Wow.
Yeah.
You'll even make it convert your trousers into shorts.
course.
Trousers. Well, I'm being liberal. I'm being liberal, calling them trousers, right?
I love convertibles. So I'm all about the fast convertibles.
Yeah, you're like a bit of a tranny. You're like a
That's not fast. That takes a while.
But they're not really convertible. I feel like once you convert to the stage, it's fixed. No, they don't do the back and forth.
Convertible. It's not
Convertible.
reversible.
There's no transformer out there who's converting a pussy into a penis and then back and forth, right?
You've seen too many Michael Bay movies.
Well, yeah, I did a bit of a rerun.
So much Michael, so little Bay.
That is good. Nice. That's pretty funny. Yeah, I'm cracking up. So you must be rejoicing, huh?
Yeah, no issue.
Yeah, no, not that. There is this. Hold on.
Sorry, life is full of pleasures these days.
There's a development. Hold on.
Right.
There's a development.
There are a few developments actually.
Yeah.
This world has been doing quite a bit in this past.
Dating apps developed AI wingmen to generate better chat-up lines.
मुझसे ही पूछ लो मैं बता दूंगा लॉन्डो क्या चल रहा है
What? Yeah. Yeah. Be careful, ladies. The 6'4" musician, rapper, wannabe actor, comedian might be too good to be true.
No, that one's me. That's me. I'm good.
Might be. Yeah, that might be a bot. You might be dealing with a bit of a bot.
Because you know me, all robotic and like regimented and like predictable. And, yeah. That's me.
That's funny.
What have you been up to? What's going on? What have you been up to?
What have I been up to?
I haven't seen you in ages.
Yeah, it's been since Saturday night.
Yeah.
Wow. Actually, 4 days is a decent gap. Half a week feels like a lifetime.
Yeah.
Well, I've been all right. Been doing this.
Sunday I saw you actually.
Sunday, yeah, you did come through. Well, it's just been 2 days. And fuck off. What the fuck?
3 days?
2 days.
अबे Wednesday हो गया.
आज Wednesday है तो मिल तो चुके हैं आज. क्या चाहता है फिर?
तो 72 hours, closer to 72 hours than to 48 hours ना. तो मैं 3 दिन बोल सकता हूँ. चुप रहे.
नहीं.
मैंने बोल दिया. उखाड़ ले जो उखाड़ ले. क्या करेगा? ऋषु को वापस लाएगा. मेरे को निकाल देगा. कर ले.
तो ये ऑर्डर the assumption that I need someone. I don't.
मैं तो बोला ही था कि एपिसोड 50 तेरे को लगा दे कि सीधा कैमरा तू 1.5 घंटा कैमरा के साथ
you are under the assumption that I need no literally yeah like you know like I'm more of a Bill Burr or Tim Dillon fella you know like I can just rant by myself
हाँ Tim Dillon
Tim Dillon जट सीखेगा तो तभी तो साड़ी बंदी आएगी
right on
Timmy right on
oh bra
yeah that's what it is I can do it myself but I feel like
please do it with yourself with a 3 camera setup though. So like you got the main master, you got the one on you got the one Kali. There's nobody reacting.
2 more angles than required by the way for me.
Yes.
You know. I'm not much of a looker in my current form.
3 cameras, 2 in the pinker, 1 in the stinker.
1 in the pinker and the stinker. Hold on. But yeah. I'm excited. I feel like the ladies on Bumble really need this AI wingman thing going for them. Because they suck.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah,
they're horrible conversation starters.
Yeah.
Women listen.
The onus is not there, no.
No. And we don't expect this of you. We're supposed to do it. We're better at it. It's been generations of us making the first move. Fuck off.
That is true.
Fuck off.
We suffer from the patriarchy.
Yeah, listen.
You all just fucking sit and you take the free dates. You take the...
You match and then you say a timid hi. Hey.
अबे लड़कियों के बायो में होता है कि I want a man who is going to take me out shopping and feed me nice food. ये क्या होता है बायो में डालने के लिए?
नहीं, बिल्कुल सही है. Listen. I'm a traditionalist. I'm a traditionalist.
I'm a feminist.
Good for you, buddy. Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Sure. I mean, I'm a feminist.
मैं गरीब भी हूँ ना,
Ah.
तो मुझे
Well, like, like a second wave feminist. Do agree be here. Okay, there you go. Well, is it like an economic?
no, it's a
Well.
mix of things.
Well, really, it's more of an economic reality, isn't it?
No, it's always been a
No.
reality.
It has to be. Listen. So, I believe the rates for men graduating college versus women graduating college, they've inverted, right? Over the past 30-ish years, more women complete higher education.
Correct, we all go a bit.
Right, so they're making more money.
Yes, they are.
Well, so that makes sense. There you go. Flip it up.
In fact, most of the women I go out with are making more money than me.
Well, you make zero money, so by definition, by default.
I make between 30 to 45,000 a
Rupees.
month. It's variable. 30 to
Rupees.
50 really. It
That's
depends.
Well, that's a pretty penny.
I do one
It's a pretty penny.
I do one backflip.
But
Gets me like that's the month.
तू तेरा 6 LPA जो है मतलब कि वो भी consistent नहीं है तो let me be generous. Let's say 5 LPA. Right?
तू 4.5 तो secure ले सकता है आराम से.
तो मैंने 5 तेरे को फालतू ही दिया तो तू कम ना you want me to use 4.5?
नहीं 5
You
से
want me to
चल
downgrade
5
it?
कर दे. 5 हो जाता है. हाँ 5 तो हो जाता है.
Let's say 5. Well, that ain't shit.
I know.
Yeah. When
But
you
you know-
graduate.
But
For
you know
example,
engineering Londe who come out of because
engineering is ass. Engineering in this country, first of all.
I know is
Now
the-
you're comparing. Now you can't compare engineering as a whole umbrella. It has to be,
No.
like the top colleges or something. For
हाँ,
example,
नहीं.
no, like
वो भी
when you-
top teacher ही
no,
हैं.
when you graduate out of law school in this country, if you graduate from a decent private school, for example, Jindal or whatever the fuck.
Or even if the school I was going
or if
to
it's a
graduate
national
from.
school, no, of course.
Yeah.
If it's a national school, then it's even better because you're guaranteed a 120 or 150 on the first job.
I would have been making.
On the first
I
job, no?
would have been making just about 3.54x of what I'm making. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
No.
In a year, yeah.
Well, I have some knowledge in industry
Yeah, you
side
do.
knowledge.
You do.
Yes.
No, you're right.
Yeah.
Some 18 types
So that
तो
ain't
होगा
shit.
आपका
Yeah, exactly. So that ain't shit. So and there's a lot of women opting for these unimaginative degrees
Yes.
because really, I mean, it's not their job
To imagine.
to run the world.
Okay.
It's ours.
Right.
We do it.
Please take it from us.
No. Hold on.
Please.
Hold on. Take it from him.
We're doing so well. Actually, we don't need any help. He's right. Don't take it from us, huh? Let the world continue to do what it's doing.
But it's interesting to see. It's interesting to see that to see all these companies. For Grindr already has a version. So I'm reading this article, this FT article for now. Online dating giants are racing to create AI-powered wingmen that can coach frustrated Gen Z users on how to craft better chat-up lines and develop a budding romance. Develop a romance with a robot.
I feel like this is the plot of at least 2 Hollywood movies.
There's going to be it's her, but she is helping you get laid.
Right.
It's him.
Wow.
It's a buddy, right?
It's them.
It's the wingman. Yeah, well. Who's helping you to ask someone out in the virtual context. This industry pivot towards AI-powered relationship advice and coaching comes as so-called dating app fatigue, particularly among younger users, continues to plague the online matchmaking market. Well, I feel like there's going to be a new phenomenon. You see, you've done enough for the catfishing. Oh, it's a bitch. She looks pretty, but she's actually a fatty. Pretty to fatty. Well, there's going to be bot fishing now. A fellow who seems interesting. No?
Butt fishing?
Bot fishing.
Oh, I heard butt fishing.
Butt fishing. Well,
Sorry. Freudian.
Freudian tit? Nahi. Well, it's not.
Freudian day. No. कान खराब है बहनचोद.
कान खराब है.
Yeah, Freudian. I was about to take this off to hear you better than I realized.
I think bot fishing should be fun.
Yeah.
And
Well, I'm not actually disabled, but
You're not actually disabled.
no. But it reminds
Who
me.
said you were? Did I say that?
No, because it reminded me. Because I thought, wow, what's wrong with my ears? Then I remember.
You're projecting.
Have you seen this? तूने ये देखा यार? Have you heard about this Sheetal Devi?
Sheetal Devi ne.
Is this 17-year-old girl? She's doing. She's at the Paralympics, and she's the only
Paris Olympics.
Paralympics.
Isn't that the short form of Paris Olympics? Paralympics?
Yes.
Okay.
Paraplegics are from Paris. That is it actually.
Oh, right.
Yeah,
Okay. Paralympics. Go on.
So Paralympics.
Go on.
She's the only armless archer who's like got a medal over there.
Wait.
She's
What
a
are you
birth
using?
defect.
What the fuck are you using? Which limbs?
Legs.
Leg?
She's
Moo?
legs, and she's beating people. No, just her legs, both the 2 legs, no mouth, whatever. She's beating people who have fucking arms. Well, the Paralympics. It's not like maybe other parts are disabled, but she's killing it.
Parts are disabled. That's interesting.
I mean, leg is a part, arm is a part, head is a part.
Part.
People are
That's interesting.
Do people
Okay.
are disabled?
Sheetal Devi कहाँ पे खेल रही है? Paralympics you mentioned.
Yes, in Paris.
Yeah.
Do people have disabled butts? Is that a thing?
Yeah, some people are born without an asshole. Na? They have to have a punctured in. Aren't you familiar?
Yes, I've heard of
Yeah,
this.
you had that surgery now when you were a kid.
Correct. Surgery? With me, they just sharpened a Stedler pencil.
Well, listen, this is why so much shit comes out of your mouth, because you didn't have an asshole for the longest time.
Right.
Yes.
So now it comes out of you because I have an asshole. Huh?
It's crazy how science works.
Right?
Well, yeah. Biotechnology has
We first saw
progressed so much.
We first saw this kind of science in Salman Khan's Judwa. Have you seen that movie?
No,
You've
I haven't.
not. It's a
Well, I know about it, of course.
It's a
I do.
legendary movie.
It's
that's
David
very-
Dhawan, is it not?
Yes, and then they remade it with David Dhawan and his son Varun Dhawan playing the role.
Ah.
Anyway, but the premise is two brothers separated at birth, blah blah blah,
Oh.
and they
Who
decide.
would have thought?
Yeah,
When has this ever
and they're
happened in
both
fiction?
Salman Khan. Yes,
Right.
and but the thing is, पता चल जाता है कि if he gets hit or something, तो उसको दर्द होता है दूसरे वाले को.
My
You know, like it's a
goodness. Yeah.
telepathy transmission
No, of course,
something.
of course,
yeah.
Because there's one soul split into two bodies or something.
You rub his dick, he gets a boner. Like you know,
Right.
it's a
Oh, that's
fucking-
pretty cool.
yeah.
One of them is a ladies' man, the other one gets all the benefits.
Correct. It's like a real wingman. Fuck yeah,
Wow.
AI wingman. This guy's like
Yeah. Well, that's pretty cool.
AIRL wingman.
AIRL.
IRL. I was trying to do IRL.
AIRL, yeah. Well, it's okay.
I'm funny, I promise.
It's okay. You're still a wannabe comic. You'll get there eventually.
No, but if I get that, then I won't be wannabe anymore.
Acha. Are you supposed to be wannabe if you continue? Yeah, you just want to be wannabe your entire life or what? What's up?
No.
Okay. Nice.
Fuck. इसको edit में काट दे. ठीक है? इसको edit में काट दे. आजकल तेरे को ज़्यादा काम करने का शौक है ही.
What else?
What else?
What else?
What else?
Bata. Taliban has banned women, but sorry, you were saying.
I also have news of that part of the world.
Oh, wow,
You,
tell me.
you first.
Well, Taliban has banned women speaking in public
Well,
and singing. I think singing and speaking in public.
just as far
They've
as
banned it.
Just as far as predictability measures go, about time.
Yeah, Arif was right.
Who was expecting
You know
them to not?
When he's right, he's right. Wasn't he right about how they're governing Afghanistan?
He said phenomenal.
He was saying phenomenal.
He did.
No? He's right. Listen, they figured out
That's why we threw him off the podcast. Actually,
Yeah,
you
they
know?
figured out how
We
to run a
can't
state
deal with this
effectively.
bigot.
you can't have these ladies yelling in our ears outside of our homes. Come on, man, in public. As they say. Don't they say women should be seen, not heard? Don't they say that, no?
Wow. Who is they? Not women, because they can't saying it. They're not being heard. This is men saying it.
Is that a common thing?
Well,
Yeah. I mean, for the most part, I'm on board.
Abe, this is like Gandhiji's approach to crime, but with women.
What with
देखो मत, सुनो मत, और बोलो मत, है ना?
Acha.
बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत
Ah.
सुनो, बुरा मत बोलो. The three monkeys thing.
Hmm.
That Taliban's doing it with them, with women basically.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, he's the father of many nations, it would seem.
Clearly,
Nation of Islam.
Afghanistan.
Okay, yeah. Afghanistan.
Yes.
That's very interesting. That is very interesting.
So, and in neighboring news,
Yeah.
Karachi में ऐसे इन्होंने खोला है. There's this Dream Bazaar.
Yeah.
It's some businessman opened. It's supposed to be the biggest thrift store in Pakistan.
Ah.
Opening day pe mob hit the store, looted everything and fucked off like on the opening.
Classic.
No buying,
Which city
no
is
nothing.
this?
Karachi.
Karachi.
No buying, selling, no nothing.
I think Karachi, isn't that
Chori.
by the way, the same fellow that night we were watching Pakistani roadies, Karachi में मैं phone snatch करता
हाँ, हाँ,
हूँ. Karachi
हाँ.
में सारे बैठे हैं
कराची
गुंडे.
में bro, कराची, to give you context, कराची उनका मुंबई है, ठीक है?
Oh
तो
shit.
टट्टी है. In fact, Karachi bhi is the coast.
So Lahore is their Delhi, is it? What is it?
Yeah, I would
What is
say
Islamabad
Lahore
is the
was,
capital.
Lahore was that. Yeah, Islamabad is definitely not the. Hello, Islamabad is a
Islamabad
police
really,
state. Little.
No, it's
yeah,
really
yeah.
posh. But Islamabad is really posh.
But like
No, there are certain
5%.
Yeah, sure. But there are certain neighborhoods where you'll find, like, the kids speaking in like a pseudo American accent or whatever the fuck.
But Lahore used to be the Yeah,
Lahore
I know a
used to
couple
be-
of those kids.
Yes, for sure,
Lahore,
exactly. Yes,
Lahore
same,
used
same.
to be the center of culture and the aristocracy. What everybody,
Yeah.
and they even there's a Punjabi saying, "Na jinne Lahore nahi vekhya aur jammiya hi nahi." So if you haven't seen Lahore, you haven't been born.
Oh, interesting.
This is very old, popular Punjabi saying.
Interesting.
Lahore was the
Yeah,
fucking
with the
place.
tits.
Lahore is the tits, man.
Lahore used to be the tits.
Islamabad's the anus. I don't say ass.
No,
I say
I feel like
anus.
Karachi is the anus and Islamabad's probably the penis. It's got to no.
Islamabad is like the left nut.
Wait, hold on. Why is the penis and the tits on the same body? Hello, take it easy, buddy. Wait, it's
Hey.
not that there's anything wrong with it.
We're progressive. They can be on the same body.
I'm just saying, for a country that is an Islamic theocracy, I feel like they will have some reservations, right?
When I was in high school, I had my penis and
But
tits on
when
the
did
same
we start
body.
giving? When did I start
By the
giving a
way.
fuck about what the hell Pakistan is thinking about our analogies?
Pakistanism.
Well, Pakistan barely thinking. I think. Let's.
But they're thinking a dream bazaar.
Yeah, Afghanistan.
Pakistan ka sabse bada thrift store. The message people got.
Yeah.
Chalo.
Thrift store. They thrift
Store ko gift store samajh liya.
Thief store. Yeah.
That's fun.
But I like that. I mean, I like what Afghanistan is doing. You know, Pakistan is a failed state, but Afghanistan I think is on the up and up, and they've got it figured out. You know, yeah. It doesn't. You know, yeah. Women should be seen, not heard. But are there exceptions to the rule? There are some exceptions.
There are exceptions to the
Yeah,
rule.
yeah. Come on. Are you gonna tell me that Lizzo should be seen and not heard?
No, I will not tell you.
No,
that.
she's exclusively got to be heard.
I will not tell you anything related to this.
There are some women who got to be exclusively heard, right? And not seen too much, not too frequently.
I can get behind that.
But then there's also, like, you know, on the inverse. It's not the inverse actually. But there are some women who got to be you got to do both.
Only seen.
No, you got to be seen and heard. Only seen तो हो गया ना चूती है, seen not heard में शुरुआत में.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है.
टमाटर लाल.
तो उसका एग्जांपल नहीं दिया ना तूने.
एग्जांपल देने की जरूरत नहीं है. बहुत सारे
बेचारी
एग्जांपल
उस
हैं.
मोटी पे आ गया वहाँ पे लिजो पे है. क्या है? वहाँ भी कटरीना कैफ का एग्जांपल देना. Well, why can't she be? heard?
Katrina, she can
sounds
be
nice.
heard.
She sounds nice.
She can be heard a little bit. But then there's some women who got to be you got to do both.
So we tolerate Katrina.
Dua Lipa, Rihanna, Kangana Ranaut.
No.
Some
Kangana Ranaut should not be seen or heard.
women you got to do both.
No.
No?
Kangana Ranaut should be buried. It's the third option. Terrible practice. But if they brought back Sati, I'd wait for her to get married, kill her husband, and watch her jump into the fire. Like, oh my god.
Who this
Kangana.
Kangana lady?
Yeah, I hate her.
I don't know. I don't know if I want to see her dead. I think I was just making a joke.
But I wanna.
I don't really personally care.
I wanna.
I don't really personally care. Move comes as online dating groups struggle to attract new users. Shares in $830 million Bumble, which owns
So?
the eponymous female-focused dating app, as well as Badoo and Fruits. Stumbled more than 25% in August after the company slashes revenue outlook and acknowledged. Meanwhile, $9.6 billion jobs like match group is under pressure.
Yeah, Bumble पे was supposed to be women make the first move, वगैरह because, you know, a women-centric base app. Bumble पे the only thing that happens is लड़की match कर देगी, hey लिख देगी.
That's what I'm
That's
saying.
it.
That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. Listen.
When do they take charge?
No. For example, I mean, I'm sure there's some not some. I think, I mean, I know for a fact there's, you know, the majority of men out there don't know how to strike up a chat, right? Or get a conversation sorted.
Correct.
The reason we love Hinge is because you can preempt the whole thing and just be clever, funny, witty, smart. You know, just send a message.
You get
the
to send
conversa-
a message.
Get the conversation
It's not
started
like you
as
have to
opposed-
wait to match.
Yeah, you know how
potentially.
it's not Tinder where you got to fucking match and then start the conversation, or it's not Bumble where you match and then the
中狂一
sorry, the woman, the lady of the
Hour.
of the hour. Yes. Well, the lady's got a very dud. What a fucking hi, hey, hello,
How are you?
how are you? Yeah, thanks, man. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could have done that and got no response.
No, Hinge is fine. But you know,
Hinge
even
is the- yeah.
because Hinge, like even the ugly dudes, they could you all can land babes. But even on it's great. I'm just saying it's good. I'm saying it is a positive thing. But
No, but like
women
yeah.
will still on Hinge most of the time just send a like on one of your photos or one of your prompts or something.
Yes,
They will
exactly.
still not necessarily write something.
Dude, okay, yeah. I mean, I get
They
it.
will send a
Listen,
like, and you got to then.
there
still
is,
do
yeah,
the
sure,
chat.
sure. You know, there's this whole the past three decades. There's been this progress towards more female hypergamy, and then them making the moves and all of that. But there's the reality of 100,000 years of genetic
A man being in charge.
and social conditioning where men make the first move. Not about being in charge. It's about making the first move. You proposition.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the
So,
robots are here to help.
that's great.
और क्या पाकिस्तान ने बैन भी कर दिया ना एक्स और ट्विटर
हाँ.
और ब्राजील ने भी करा शायद इस हफ्ते
वो पाकिस्तान में वीडियो की वजह से ट्विटर ब्राजील में भी बैन हो गया.
नहीं ब्राजील
किसी और को
ने
kidnap
कोई और
किया गया.
तरीके के लिए करा है कोई और तरीका कह रहा हूँ कोई और कारण के लिए करा है उन्होंने
किसी और कारण.
कि-
किसी और कारणवश.
कारणवश
कारणवश.
फॉर एग्जांपल
हेतु.
हाउ डू यूज दैट इन सेंटेंस कि मैंने कोई और कारणवश तेरी बुंड में लंड डाली ऐसा कुछ
वो जो लंड मेरे बुंड में डला था वो तुम्हारे डालने के वजह से नहीं डला, वो किसी और कारणवश डल गया था.
it's too complex the sentence is too complex to me to
वो तेरी समझ के बाहर है, मैं समझ रहा हूँ. कोई बात नहीं.
yeah I don't get it
Because of some other reason. कारणवश.
कारणवश no but
Karan?
I meant I've asked for a thesaurus example yeah
Hmm.
how do you do that how do you what do
Open
you
thesaurus ना.
हिंदी thesaurus होती है
मेरे माथे पे टट्टू लिखा है.
हिंदी में बनाते थे thesaurus
हाँ हाँ. Thesaurus, Dinosaurus, Brontosaurus,
Mm,
Erosaurus,
mm, 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 mm,
Bulbasaurus.
mm.
सब बनता है.
Interesting. I haven't heard that, but but I don't really. I'm not a scholar of Hindi.
True.
Last I probably, like, as I did, there was the 2018 when I came back, I really wanted to get into reading.
क्यों आया? नहीं ना ही आता. ठीक था. बोल.
हाँ तेरा म्यूजिक वीडियो भैंचोद वो बनाता है
हाँ वो बनाता.
वही जो तेरा
भैंचोद।
तेरा दोस्त है और कोई the second friend who
वही यार वो.
the other filmmaker friend you
अरे
have
क्या नाम है उसका? अरे भाई कैसा है तू?
the other one
अरे अपना अपना यार अपना भाई अपना यार. अरे वो अरे अभी तो मिला था उससे. कैसा है यार?
Yeah, so I did. I mean, I did this thing where for a couple of months I was only watching Bollywood movies, and I just wanted to, reintegrate with the culture. And I read a bunch of Munshi Premchand, and then after that I was like, I don't need to read this shit, dude.
That's a little slower than you'd.
Huh?
Munshi Premchand is a little. It's very sehma sa.
Huh? But I read a lot of philosophy. It's not very my speed. You read other things that what?
I
Sorry.
don't mean philosophy will. Munshi Premchand thing will have like this little one ringta story and one little nice thing in the end or something. Yeah, your philosophy will be packed with like
Yes.
knowledge or information or a thought or whatever.
No, but I'm not reading non-fiction. I'm reading fiction in Hindi. I mean, fiction is generally going to be less dense. It's going to be more symbolic, whereas non-fiction is going to be dense.
So then, what about Munshi Premchand didn't do it for you?
No. It wasn't that. It was more of the realization that like I don't really need to read so much
Bigot.
literature to be able to make content that is relevant or resonates with people in this country. That's all.
So when's that coming?
Huh?
So when's that happening?
Hey,
Hey. Hey.
what comes slow comes strong. I'm more of the tortoise, not the hare in this particular scenario. Yeah, I'll get there. The fucking when the hare is napping under the tree on
You're
some.
fucking in the ass. Sorry.
Yeah.
Right.
I'll come out of my shell.
Not very nice tortoise behavior.
Tortois.
Oui. Chichwa.
तो
या
इन्होंने
खैर।
बैन कर दिया लेकिन पाकिस्तान में तो उसकी जर्नलिस्ट की वजह से जर्नलिस्ट की वजह से हुआ है पता नहीं क्या हुआ
Janelle.
जर्नैल बोलते हैं ना यहाँ पाकिस्तान में
General go.
जनरल को जर्नैल बोलते
शायद
हैं
हाँ.
yeah but I don't know why did they ban it why did they recently what the fuck I texted him I'm fucking recording the podcast what the fuck is wrong with this dude
Who dude?
loser
Keda dude यार. That's not specific. You got like 10 losers in your life.
I don't want to say his name because he came on as a guest.
Bruh. Oh, I was also texting.
I'll remove the name from the podcast, but I'll let him know that like, he came on as a guest,
Yes.
and he's a loser who's bugging me right now.
We love him. Loser.
I texted him saying podding.
I've called him for Saturday.
He called me again. He called him on Saturday also.
Yeah.
Then I had to spread it out, recording the podcast, bro, because this man does not know words. He's a loser with words.
Yes. Guys, you can watch through and see.
Listen,
See, there are two losers with words. One is a guy. You can watch the episode and find out. I'm so dead. I'm so dead.
it's no one. No, firstly, he's not like he can't sit through the pod, bro. So he's not gonna go through hours to be able to see कि अच्छा हमने आगे कुछ
No.
पीठ पीछे बुराई करी है क्या?
But the other person is gonna watch it.
Oh, the other person, yeah, yeah. Right, yeah. Well, she's a fan. She comments. She's with it.
नहीं और specific हो जाना. Stupid.
Nikita. Hey, this time at least I didn't say babe number one. You know. It's fine. We take creative
Liberties,
with
yeah.
editing and shit like that. We can do all of that, bro. You know.
बहुत बढ़िया.
So फिर what else? What else is
फिर
happening?
we have now we have gay bank accounts now. Do you know this?
What the hell is that?
It just means that a few days ago, the
Gay bank accounts.
हाँ वो case चला ना for the the Supreme Court said no, but for like gay marriage rights in India, remember there was an issue like a while ago and stuff.
No.
There was a full case in the Supreme Court. It came before.
Catch me up to speed.
I forget the case's name, but this happened last year. It was a huge thing. Same-sex marriage rights were before the Chief Justice of India, whatever Chandrachud and whatever they. It was full. There's deliberations. You can watch the courtroom proceedings and everything.
Chandrachud उसका नाम है. Chud.
CHUD.
Oh.
Chud.
Chandrachud.
He's the current Chief Justice of India. His father was also.
अरे I know who Justice Chandrachud is, bro. D.Y. Chandrachud है. उसका बाप भी तो उसका बेटा भी is a legal luminary. मुझे पता है. I pretend to be in fucking catch me up to speed.
I don't know. Actually, don't really have a nexus with the laws.
Yeah, what the fuck do I know? Having two parents who are both lawyers.
बात करता है ना माँ बाप से. चूती है.
What the fuck?
एक फ्लोर ऊपर है.
Having
एक फ्लोर ऊपर है.
my cousins are-
हफ्ता 10 दिन भी माँ से मिलता
How
ही
many of
नहीं.
my cousins are lawyers? Two of my cousins are lawyers. My uncle is a lawyer. Yeah. What the fuck do I know about
अच्छा.
about the fraternity?
मेरे मामू कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट है. करूँ तेरी ओपन हार्ट सर्जरी. चुप है.
कर दे.
Okay.
Jokes on you, I'm a heartless bitch.
I don't think that joke's on me really. But,
Jokes on all my friends. Anyway, go on. Sorry.
and
And my family. Anyone who comes across me looking for
love, affection,
any
warmth,
kind of affection, warmth,
security,
Sorry.
a nice hug, anything. Well, you're fucked. Your future prospects.
No, the thing is, I do have a heart. It's just cold. It's very cold.
It's all AC इतना भैंचो तो जोर से लगा के ठंडा रखेगा अपना पूरा हुआ तो हार्ट तेरा मिस्टर फ्रीज की औलाद.
Oh God! Oh dearie me.
Yeah. If
Dear-
you were a fictional character,
Dearie
Mr.
me.
Freeze, the Batman villain.
You know what it is? So I
तो
don't.
एक तो वो आर्नल्ड सुभाष नगर है.
Have you seen that show Succession?
No, but I know of it.
So
Sure.
when I watch Succession, you know who I relate to the most? The dad.
I love how I say I know, but you're like ये बात तो मैंने कर दी है. तो यार चाहे कोई तीसरा बंदा है नहीं यहाँ पे
There are
जो मेरी
people.
बात
Hello,
समझेगा.
there are 100 people who watch it.
चल बे.
52% returning subscriber viewers.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
So we had realistically.
Do they all get this far? 15-20 minutes into the pod?
Fuck do I know? They don't give me that much information because we don't have the volume of viewers to arrive at that specific analytic
अच्छा
information.
नहीं तो मिल जाएगा.
But it depends. You gotta have enough for them to analyze, I believe. I guess they just need a bit of an orgy for the analyzation. They can't just do it on the one-on-one.
No,
You know?
makes sense.
Yeah. Anyway, you were saying something about something.
So when they were arguing all of this in the same-sex marriage rights, and they were like, you know, there's so many when you don't grant the status of union or marriage, blah blah blah. There's so many ancillary like coincidental rights that you don't get. Like for cohabitation, also it's so difficult.
Yeah.
And they're like joint bank accounts, whatever. They're like, नहीं हमने तो आपको रोका नहीं है. आप अपने gay joint bank account बना सकते हो. मतलब you
Wow.
can.
Wow,
You can,
wow.
they're like, any two, this consenting adults, whatever, you can open your joint bank account together. We are not stopping you.
Correct.
So whatever.
That is true.
So, But it came like more as an opinion because these things are generally like, can you and I go and open a bank account?
Yes. You can
Okay.
open a joint bank account.
Then
yes.
why was this news?
Because people like to make a whole thing out of it.
Well, it was news. We have gay bank accounts
Well, I mean,
now,
it's
and
a-
I'm happy.
No, but let me tell you something. For example, one of the purported reasons for Uttarakhand's UCC law, specifically concerning live-in relationships and them being registered, is because what happens is a lot of people, when they are in a live-in relationship, now if you bear children from that, resulting from that relationship, the child, if it's outside of marriage, gets
Wedlock,
no, yeah, exactly. They don't they don't get inheritance. They don't get right, monetary financial security written into law, which you get from marriage. So there are some of those provisions provided to you as a child of a live-in relationship. If you once have a registered live-in relationship, then those are passed on. So it's one of those things that they're saying is to protect.
I think, if I'm not wrong,
Yeah.
they already a few years ago clarified the law on that, wherein if you have a child born out of wedlock, something, as long as there is proper like proof of parentage, whatever, that child has full rights. It's the union is different, and your legal rights interrelated between spouses or partners might be different. You might not have all the same rights of that, but the legitimacy of the child, as long as that is not called into question and everything is maybe about
But then there's
paternity, this,
the
that,
whole thing
whatever,
of
then it's
proving
all
the legitimacy, no?
sure. But
Whereas you're bypassing that one step, whatever it is. I'm saying this is the purported reason. Where
Right.
so I don't, I mean,
But it's the same thing, no? You would what? Register that relationship and
So
the
are the
child
gays
out of it
happy?
would
Are
be
they happy? Are
registered.
they having a good time? Are they fucking partying and shit?
I hope so, man.
Yeah,
They need it.
they need it.
The gays haven't been gay in a while.
Yeah, it's been a tough
Yeah.
ride for them.
Yeah.
I mean, hold on. I'll be very honest. Now listen, I can't speak for the gay experience overall, but my friends were like, this whole marriage shit.
Pain in the ass.
Yeah,
Go on.
did I just say that?
No.
You said it. Anyway,
Talk about the gay experience. Go on.
my friends in college would just be like, listen, marriage is for normies, for the straight losers. The gays just want to have a good time.
Yeah.
Now that's of course that's a very specific art school NYC faggot sentiment.
So Green Park.
Green
Green
Park.
Park Oscars.
Right now I don't
Both
know.
of
I
them.
don't know the Indian gay scene because I have fewer gay friends here.
We have few friends here.
Fewer friends here. I don't think I have fewer friends. I have enough friends. More friends than I can entertain.
Yeah.
More friends than I care to see.
Good.
Yeah. Go on.
Oh, I'm just smiling because I'm one of those you care to see.
I don't care. Listen,
I don't care to see.
this is a professional
Okay.
obligation. I have to see you a couple of times a week. I just can't not, unfortunately.
You can't hold back.
Yeah, I've put myself into. I've
Okay.
got myself into a bit of a hole.
You have.
You know what it is? I think.
And not female in nature.
Uh huh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I was thinking, instead of that's the reason that I haven't made any moves so far is because I was thinking instead of replacing one host, just do two. I'll find two other
Two other.
friends.
एक को मेरी जगह एक को अपनी जगह बैठा देगा और तू वहाँ प्रोड्यूसर बन कर पीछे बैठ Imagine you're talking off camera.
But Vidar was offering actually being our version of Jamie. You know Jamie from Joe Rogan? He's behind the computer. He's handling the TriCaster, and he can whip up information on the TV or whatever the fuck that we can discuss. It could be APIP for the pod thing, and he's just gonna be behind, handling all of that. It would be good to have a live producer because, for example, when we were discussing, मैं बोलूँगा कि हाँ इन्होंने Tinder ने निकाल दिए AI man, वो बोलेगा Grindr ने निकाला ये, मैं चलो अटरम पटरम पीछे से निकाल देगा.
इसमें दो प्रॉब्लम है.
सुना?
इसमें दो बहुत बड़े प्रॉब्लम है. एक तो वो हर 5 एपिसोड में एक बार घुसेगा.
घुसेगा?
मतलब वो actually यहाँ पहुंचेगा. If he to actually show up, he's only going to show up one in every 5
I'm
times
discussing
if
the
he
prospect. I'm not saying this is like a real.
does. And B, he'll be inherently biased towards you, and all his googling will be centered on ripping me a new one. Or whatever. Fuck you, stupid idiot. You know how that's gonna go.
I don't see any faults. I mean, I don't see
Yeah.
any problems with this arrangement. And in fact, I would like to solidify. I'd like to get a contract,
Finally.
like a contract signed.
हाँ पहले अपना इंटरनेट ठीक करवा ठीक है
अच्छा.
अब 1 साल से एक भैंचो वाईफाई नहीं लगाया जा रहा है यहाँ पे
ओ भोसड़ी के.
ठीक
वाह
है
भाई चल रहा है लेकिन हर जगह नहीं चलता, बस ये अलग.
हाँ मेरे को मत समझा तू घुस है काम से तो चुप रहे कुछ नहीं है तो फिर बोल रहा है ना बस ठीक है एक अभी जाके भैंचो 35 एपिसोड बाद भाई को थोड़ी पैरिटी मिली है यहाँ पे
Parity?
हाँ
What does that mean?
पैरिटी
What do you mean by that?
वो बोले वो साला अपना मुंह बंद नहीं लिखता चपड़ 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 और फिर तू तो कुछ बोलता ही नहीं है अबे कुत्ते तू भौंकना बंद करेगा
All the Ripstu stands out there. You can eat it.
या
By the way, you can just fucking eat it.
सीरियसली
He said, I know, that was a pocket dial type scenario. It literally is just called a pocket dial. What the hell is a pocket dial?
what are the variations on pocket dials
Pocket dial
type scenario
type scenario.
must be different body part
Well,
dials.
you do say pocket dial, you say butt dial, right? There's all of those. But I think butt dial as a term is obsolete because we don't have those alphanumeric phones with a physical button that your butt would press and create the phone call. We don't have those anymore, do we?
जिसकी गांड काबिल हो वो तो कुछ भी कर दे वो तो गांड पे डिपेंड करता है
Mm. So you're saying it's your butt dial is still theoretically feasible. Depends
but
on
dial
the dexterity of your ass,
yes
and depends on which ass cheek
correct
is more dexterous.
yes
Correct. You butt dial.
are you a lefty or righty
I am more of a right butt kind of
Okay.
fella. Yeah. He's
I am ambidextrous
I'm butt dexterous. I don't know. Oh,
ambi तो दोनों हो गए
सुन derriere होता है ना, derriere in French.
ambidextrous
Derrierist.
ambidextrous
Okay, that's cool. Feel like a lot of people would really find that funny, huh?
I think they're skipping this section
Brazil,
but okay
Brazil has banned Twitter. I'm looking at what else.
मैं बता सकता हूँ तुझे कुछ मैं बताऊँ
सुना ना?
वो जो अपना फुनसुक वांगडू है ना
हाँ, Wangdu.
Sonam Wangchuk the real guy on whom they made Amir Khan's character in 3 Idiots
Bro, it's Wangdu. It's pronounced Wangdu.
हाँ बांगडू
Whatever, go on.
his real name is Sonam Wangchuk by the way
Who asked?
you did
Go on.
you said bye bata
So that's
he and an entourage they are marching from Leh to Delhi
He's been protesting for a couple of months now.
yes
This loser.
for to have this incorporated in the 6th schedule of the constitution तो पता है 6th schedule क्या है
Sick schedule.
हाँ
Sick?
6th तुम्हारे वाले नहीं यार not you hairy people
No, I don't know about any of this. Tell me. The right to free assembly or something, or like your.
नहीं 6th schedule ये है there are 10 it
Some
designates-
legislative thing. Oh, sorry. Go on.
yeah it designates like मैं बोलूं
Go on.
मैं बोलूं मेरे को बोलने देगा
अबे podcast है यार ये.
So they have they list what are called ADCs and RCs autonomous
Ass, dick, tooth.
yes and RC
RC, right tooth.
correct
Rear tooth.
right cheek
Rear tooth.
right cheek.
Asshole.
okay
It's the rear one.
right
Okay.
okay but what the government officially calls it is
Pussy. Right? They say, butt pussy
That's-
or boy pussy. Pussy.
that's a technical term
Go
see
on. Yeah.
but they call it
Pussy is what they use in medical college. Sorry, go on. Go on.
it's what every dog chases but anyway they dogs chase pussy
Butt pussy. Or bhau pussy. What do you mean by why do dogs chase it?
हर जोक समझाना अच्छा नहीं लगता यार हम आदमी लोग हम चूत के पीछे पड़े हुए वो कुत्ता लोग बिल्ली के पीछे पड़े हुए यार इतना अच्छा जोक है लेयर्ड सा मुझे समझाना पड़ रहा है उल्लू का पट्टा प्रोड्यूसर मुझे कोई और होस्ट दे दो यार साथ में क्या है ये
Dogs, pussy. Okay, I get it.
No, wait a minute.
That's pretty funny actually.
Okay. पता है ऑटोनोमस डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल होता है रीजनल काउंसिल होता है ये बेसिकली ट्राइब वाइब पे बनते हैं ट्राइबल एरियाज में ठीक है तो देयर आर 10 ADCs designated 3 in Meghalaya 3 in Mizoram 3 mostly in the northeast 10 total and these guys want कि हमें भी डेजिग्नेट किया जाए क्योंकि यहाँ मोस्टली ट्राइबल पॉपुलेशन है बहुत लोकल लेवल पे गवर्नेंस वगैरह चाहिए सो दिस 6th schedule actually gives quite far reaching powers to local like slightly bigger than panchayat level bodies to make decisions in legislative governance and judicial matters over there like even tribal जो मतलब उनका
I get it,
court
I
वगैरह
get
है
I
financial
get it.
allocation of land like things that maybe the state government would do, it delegates that power lower. So these guys want it. Ye bhag rahe, they're like ki,
But I mean, I understand the sentiment behind it, but I think it's a little difficult because you're talking about Ladakh. You've got Aksai Chin. You know, it's a heavily national. So I was there last year in June. Dude, the whole
I think ये ले की बात करे, just that ऊपर वाला
जो तो ऊपर वाला तो और भी जरा bro, because that's literally bordering China. तो एक बात बता,
वो कहाँ है बांगड़ू, वो कहाँ से खा रहा है अपना
वो
स्कूल?
बांगड़ू बेंगड़ू देख सुन, एक बात होती है जज्बात होते हैं कि देखो हमको ऑटोनॉमी चाहिए, और दूसरी बात होती है नेशनल सिक्योरिटी की रियलिटी. ठीक है, the fucking the entire region, bro. Anyway, so luckily, you know, like we had an army escort take us through the entire thing. You know, so doors open for us, but a
Army
lo-
has started employing escorts. Wow, that's very progressive, yaar.
listen,
Hello,
listen.
happy soldier, slappy soldier.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. बहुत अच्छे.
But yeah, you can't. I really don't see. It's a long way off from democracy, bro. Because that state requires such a heavy military presence, and the military penetrates down to governance. It's not just, you know, you can't just you can't.
वो
Have,
उनके पंचायत है.
yeah. It's just what it is. So good. Let him march. It'll be good content. The news
They're-
cycle will be busy. Yeah.
They're reaching Delhi on, and they're saying we're also marching for climate change. इतना लंबा सुना के like climate change also. Guys, please be responsible with your choices at home. वो उनको दो cause करने होते.
Listen,
अबे एक march कर रहे हैं देख,
you
2
gotta make
महीने
everything
लगा
about
के.
climate change, bro.
They're gonna reach Delhi on Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. So वहाँ पहुंचेंगे जंतर मंतर या जो भी, सीधा वही जाएंगे. Some shit like that. ये scene है.
Good luck and good luck, and I'm sure you get some nice reels and good content out of this, but I don't see it going anywhere really. I just don't see it personally.
सोन भाई बांगड़ू.
Chun bhai bhangdu, हाँ.
हाँ. ये Bible areas में कुछ
भाई,
tribal
Bundchu, Bundchut,
बुनशु तो गया है ना.
Bundsuk Bangadu,
हाँ.
Bundsuk Bangadu.
बुनसुक बांगड़ू.
He's yeah, bang because he's
Bang,
banging
हाँ.
bunds.
Bang दूं?
Bang.
It's a question. Should I to bang or to not bang? Should I bang? Bang दूं? आपको bang दूं?
Bundsuk Bangadu ki.
हाँ,
Should I suck your bund?
Yeah.
Suck
And,
it.
and it's cool because we're making fun of the fictional character, not a Sonam Wangchuk.
Right.
Yeah.
What's his real name?
Sonam Wangchuk.
Oh, Sonam.
हाँ, इस पे बनाते हैं, है ना. अब disrespect कर ही देते
Well,
हैं.
he's already got Wang Chu. Wang is it called a Wang? No, it's never called a Wang.
It's called a Wang. Of course, it's called a
It's
Wang.
called a Wang, right?
Yes.
Yes. Wang.
Yeah.
Wang Chu. He's
Chuk.
already got Wang Chu.
Chuk. C-H-U-K.
Wang Suk.
Wangchuk.
Chuk.
It literally in Punjabi,
Chuk.
Wangchuk would mean
Uthali,
pick up the, yeah.
Lund uthali uski.
Pick the Wang.
We
yeah.
picked up his Lund.
Yeah.
Okay. And Sonam.
You can call him Onam. Like the South Indian.
Sonam, Lonam, Bonam, Monam, Bonam.
Donam.
Nonam.
Donam. Give. Do. Mad respect though. तेरे को आमिर खान played you, bro. Like.
Blonum. Blonum. Blonum.
Blow one.
Yeah. Bloyum. Wang.
Chuk. Or by Bundsuk Bangdu.
Butsuk Bangdu is better.
That is the, yeah.
Bundsuk Bangdu
That's
is
why Raju Hirani went with that.
Yeah.
He's like, जब लौंडे बैठेंगे podcast पे 10 साल में,
Yeah.
तो कैसे मजाक उड़ाएंगे?
That fellow fell off, you know, like his last
Bangdu?
two movies, huh?
बांगड़ू.
Hirani.
अच्छा.
Bund Kumar.
हाँ.
The Donkey was
आज कुमार.
was quite shit.
Yeah.
Donkey was quite
Shahrukh.
shit.
And it's a Shahrukh movie that I haven't watched, so
Yeah, but like you're trying to make this thing about you know, people migrating, and it's trying to make it make a humanitarian case for the migrant crisis from disaffected areas and shit.
शाहरुख को गरीब बना दिया उन्होंने मूवी में.
बनाने की कोशिश तो करी
तभी
है.
तो नहीं चली पिक्चर.
The ragtag,
शाहरुख गरीब नहीं लग
the
सकता.
ragtag crew of losers. नहीं, शाहरुख गरीब लग चुका है, काफी बार लग चुका है.
बट शाहरुख जिस मूवी में गरीब जनरली, अब जैसे रईस वगैरह में भी वो गरीब बनता है तो अमीर तो बन ही जाता है मूवी में.
चकते में तो वो गरीब ही था.
नहीं, चकदे में यार, चकदे में स्टेटस वाली, दैट्स डिफरेंट.
Why is it different?
क्योंकि
गरीब
यार
is गरीब. गरीब is an economic
नहीं.
reality.
नहीं,
गरीब is an economic reality or is it not?
लेकिन एक वो होता है यार उसका मिजाज, उसका शाहरुख जैसे बात करता है ना, उसका जैसा लहजा है बात करने का, उसका जो तरीका है, वो आप गरीब नहीं बोल सकते उसे. ये लाइक ये कोई एरिस्टोक्रेट का कोई ओल्ड मनी बंदा गरीब हुआ है, इट्स डिफरेंट. यू कांट कम आउट बी लाइक ए भाई लाइक दिस.
I don't see aristocrat when I watch Chak De India.
इट यार, तू शाहरुख को क्या समझता है?
अच्छा.
तू क्या समझता है अपने शाहरुख भाई को? He has a different eloquency about him. Whatever dialogues he does, it's difficult for me to see him pulling off a Garib, like somebody who's quote unquote, for whatever reasons, crass.
He
because
can't do Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Yes.
In
वो आदमी लगता है गरीब.
yes.
वो आदमी लगता है कि अभी लोन लेकर बैंक से भागा है और
वो
साजिश बना रहे कि बैंक को आग लगाई जाए ताकि मेरा लोन ट्रेस ना हो. मतलब वो वाइब दे.
Raman Raghav 2.0 का अगर रोल
रबर राघव.
शाहरुख करता then it would not have worked.
No.
Raman Raghav 2.0. You've seen that movie, right? Anurag Kashyap, Vicky Kaushal.
Yes, I have.
Sobhita
Fucking
Dhulipala.
creepy.
Sobhita Dhulipala, what a piece.
Hmm.
What a lady, beautiful lady. Appreciation moment for Sobhita Dhulipala.
हाँ.
You're hot.
किसने किसको पाला? Sorry.
Sobhita ने Dhulipala.
डूबी वाला.
डूबी पाला.
फूकती है. वो मेड इन हेवन में तो बहुत फूकती है वो.
अच्छा.
हाँ. मैंने मेड इन हेवन ऑफ कोर्स दोनों सीजन देखी है. उसमें वो एक बंदा है who keeps playing he plays this I don't know the actor's name but his role I think the character's name is Karan और वो
That's the husband.
नहीं वो उसका gay best friend है जिसके साथ business है.
Oh, interesting.
Husband is Jim Sarb.
Oh, interesting.
Husband is Jim Sarb.
I know Jim Sarb, yeah.
Yeah, he plays the husband. नहीं एक करण है एक वो फूकता रहता है और ये फूकती रहती है सोबिता डूबी वाला.
That's interesting. But then she smokes doobies or what is it?
हाँ वो तो डूबीज नहीं वो तो गांजा रोल करके फूकता है.
Okay. Film doobie.
वो गाड़ी में दिल्ली में घूमते हुए पैंटी फूकता है.
What's his face? Made in Heaven.
उसके अभी 2 ही चीजें होता 2 सीजन में मैंने 3 कैरेक्टर चीजें देखी इसकी. एक ये गे है दूसरा ये गंजेड़ी है तीसरा ये कमीना है थोड़ा बहुत. That's all I've seen.
I like that profile on the whole. Arjun Mathur, is it?
Yes.
Karan Mehra?
That's the one.
Adil Khanna. That's his face. Jim Sharp. Oh, Kalki's in it. Faizan Naqvi. Shashank. Shivani Raghuvanshi. ये कौन है? Jaspreet Kaur.
Now that you're mentioning all the names, I can see all the faces. I know what's going on. तेरे को कब सुनाऊंगा स्टोरी या तू बैठ के it's
So what is the show about? The Made in Heaven.
अबे ये दोनों ये सोबिता and ये करण
Right.
they are best friends. They have a event, a wedding wedding planners. They're wedding planners. They're a
Okay.
company of 2 wedding planners.
Oh.
And they're
So naturally you're interested in watching this kind of product.
no.
You saw 2
I
seasons
watched
of it.
I watched
You saw
season
2
1.
seasons? Okay.
I watched season 1. I was like, it's okay. Then season 2 came maybe a year ago or something. People kept telling me watch it. I didn't, and then eventually after 3-4 months कुछ देखने को था नहीं. मैंने बैठ के देख लिया. And season 1 was better. And season 2, 1 episode was really good. That's it. Out of like 6-7 episodes, it's not. And you know, I generally am very generous with my compliments. It's I'll be like, "Ha, ye to dekh." I have the weirdest ki bhai ye. But this one, it didn't even whelm.
Not enough song and
didn't
dance.
whelm
Not
me.
enough. Yes.
No,
Whelm.
nothing.
It did not whelm.
Yeah, no overwhelm, no underwhelm. It didn't whelm me also.
Oh.
No song and dance की तो बात नहीं. इसमें song and dance तो है यार. वो शादियों पे बना रहे यार. हर उसमें कोई संगीत डांस थोड़ा बहुत है तो थोड़ा कुछ है सेटिंग.
Interesting.
बस यही है. It's about how their personal. It's more about how their personal lives are fucked up on the side. वो शादी तो एक हर एपिसोड में एक शादी हो रही होती है.
Well, that's
in the backdrop.
That's how you do TV, bro. You do how do you do TV?
अच्छा. ये मेरे को तो पता ही नहीं था.
अच्छा.
मैं
तू
तो
अच्छा तू बता. तो explain it to me then.
मैंने तो बोला है मेरे को तो पता ही नहीं था.
Eli Fivet.
मैंने और क्या बोला?
Oh.
हाँ.
I did not detect sarcasm at all.
नहीं वो तेरा
अच्छा.
तू ना ऐसे शक्की आदमी है यार.
मैंने हटा.
You are just so prone to suspicion.
चूतिया. The गाड़ी का चूतिया. 2 rupees.
I told Vidhu today. I said your CTO. He says Chief Tomfoolery Officer. Then I wrote Chutiyo with the C, the T, and the O capital. He was not happy.
What did you? He's coming today later in the evening. Once we're done with this shit.
Acha.
Well, I pinned him. I was like, "May I have a whiskey?" He said, "Go ahead." Are you chilling? I said, "Podding." After that, chilling, easy, come through. Ping me.
Right on.
He said, "Ping me. I'll figure it out. I'll ping the lad. I'll see what he's up to. I'll tickle his."
टोगी भी ऐसे कुछ बोल रहा था.
टोगी के भाई को मैंने विश तो किया, but he said hang on Saturday, and I said
टोगी तो आज रात का बोल रहा है बिकॉज वो गुड़गांव में भी फंसे. He says डे टाइम तो मैं अभी हम गुड़गांव में निपटाएंगे. Lot of traffic apparently. 3 घंटे वो गुड़गांव में फंसा हुआ था. I spoke to him this afternoon and because I called him also for Saturday and he says he's coming also by the way and he said कि रात को मिलते हैं.
पूरे वीकेंड के सीन बता दे रहे सबको ग्रुप पे. बता दे कौन कौन आ रहा है.
हाँ
बता रहे पूरी जनता को बता रहे पूरे कि तेरे वीकेंड का सीन क्या है. बता. पूरी छतरपुर का एड्रेस पड़ता है नई दिल्ली 11:00:30. I know because I just issued an invoice.
correct right. Or jab when this episode is out, it'll be the day after.
Saturday 8 p.m. We're I'll remove your address.
मेरे घर पे board game night है.
I'll remove your address.
अरे कोई नहीं आएगा आजा. Leave it on.
No, you don't want to.
अच्छा हाँ फ्यूचर में तो आएंगे सब
you
जब मैं
don't
स्टार
want
बन जाऊंगा. यही तो प्रॉब्लम है.
You just don't want your address out of bro. You know, you're not gonna. It's not gonna be a fan who shows up and stores shit up.
Yeah.
It's gonna be some retard who takes.
What if she's hot?
Huh? No, she's in
So
Mohali.
I have
now.
a weakness.
She's gone to Mohali.
Shut up. But yeah, some women have sought me out in the past
She's
themselves.
in Jabalpur. Yeah.
Yeah. Nice save. Like anyone's ever gonna believe I was with some broad who went to MP. Thank you.
Jabalpur is in MP.
You really don't know anything, do
I
you?
thought Jabalpur.
Reintegrate myself with Indian society.
सुन.
जबलपुर का है
मैं
venture.
तेरे को बताया तो मेरी रियलाइजेशन क्या थी कि इसकी जरूरत नहीं है सबकी. मैं ऐसे ही कर सकता हूँ.
अब तूने प्रेमचंद या abandon कर दिया तो क्या ही बोल सकते हो उसके बाद. तो जबलपुर क्या चीज है?
Abandon कर दिया bro.
Abandon.
Listen.
Abandon.
You all think I'm well integrated, do you not?
They all don't think. Firstly,
the people who are listening to us,
yeah,
they're not doing much thinking.
There's a reason 6 महीने में ऐसे 100 लोग ही देख रहे हैं हर episode.
Wait a second. No,
क्या?
that can't be right. If that's listen, it's proving the inverse. There's only few people who are smart enough to consume. Whereas if the janta is, as we know, as Osho has told us,
and he was,
the people are retarded, right? They're well regarded.
Democracy.
They're well regarded individuals out there, and yeah. Well, I don't mean specifically democracy, but yeah, democracy is the example you use. But in generally, the sentiment is that the people en masse,
yes,
are regards.
Yeah.
They're yeah.
और भाई क्या चल रहा है?
Yeah.
आज बहुत deep बातें कर ली हमने.
Yeah. Correct.
तो I'm at the social fabric of cotton, silk, this country.
Well, let's look at some news. Let's look at some top headlines. Let me do a news.
अच्छा उस part में आ गए.
News corner. Let me do a news corner, huh? Dating apps. Psychiatrist Bessel van der Kolk.
We should react immediately to something new out of the blue. कुछ सुना दे चल.
India strikes free trade deal with. ये तो पहले का है.
Oh.
Countries including Switzerland.
ओए.
Pact promises
मजा आ गया.
investment boost in
स्विट्जरलैंड में बैंक बहुत अच्छे हैं मैंने सुना है. अच्छा नजारा है देखने को.
स्विट्जरलैंड में घड़ियां बहुत सही हैं ब्रो.
लोग जाते हैं ना स्विस बैंक देखने.
Yeah.
क्या होता है वो?
Swiss banks are also great because yeah.
वही जहाँ माउंटेन है स्विस बैंक्स.
Listen, if you wanna have your wealth free from fucking criminal taxation, you got to park it either in Switzerland, in the UK, city of London specifically, or the Cayman Islands. That's the way to do it. That's the only way to do it.
तेरे को बड़ा पता है वकील के बेटे.
Yeah. Well, the way
guys मेरी तो घर की एड्रेस निकल गई. इसकी तो स्ट्रेटेजी ही निकल रही है.
Skirting around the law. That's what the law is for.
Yeah.
Just figure out your way.
Amen.
To figure out your way around.
Amen. Listen, man, the law exists to separate the idiots from the smart. That's the real reason. The purpose of law. Listen.
You think it's for justice?
No.
Wake up.
It's just ice.
Wake up, buddy.
Hello. You gotta tangle with the law a couple times in life and see. Do you come out unscathed, scathed? What kind of scathed?
Yeah.
You gotta assess yourself as a human being.
Oh man.
You must, yeah.
What was that? Have you seen that movie, The Devil's Advocate? Keanu Reeves, Al Pacino?
No, I know of it. I'm sure there was a show with Karan Thapar on TV called Devil's Advocate for many years.
Anyway.
Yes.
In any case,
And I know of the phrase.
so
yeah.
the one of the lines in the movie is what does Al Pacino say? He says the modern
Alcazar?
state,
No. Bol.
the modern state is the state is the modern temple, and lawyers are the clergymen
ओहो
of the temple. Yeah,
मतलब वो भी छोटे बच्चों को देते हैं.
correct.
Altar boys.
Yeah, the lawyers are diddling.
Right.
They're a bunch of diddlers.
This is why I didn't finish law school.
Yeah.
No
Why do you
other
think I got
reason.
into the
I
entertainment
don't want to be so
business?
fucking pedophile like everybody else upstairs. No offense,
And
everyone else upstairs. Yeah, and downstairs.
I'm sandwiched between lawyers
Wow. Good thing you're not a kid, huh?
anymore.
No.
I've suffered enough trauma by my uncles as a child. No. But you know, when I was a kid, my parents' firm used to be in our home. And as a kid, I think I wandered into my parents' office once, and my dad's partner, he picked me up, and I didn't know, like I was a kid, like 3 or 4, something like that. And he's like, "की कर रहे? चटनी खानी? चटनी खानी?" पता नहीं था, like, हाँ खानी है. थप्पड़, he slapped me.
Oh my god.
Straight up.
But I don't know who to be more that at.
The
Like,
चटनी खानी, he's
चटनी
asking,
खानी
"Do
है
you
तो
want to
चटनी खानी
slap?
है."
Do you want to get थप्पड़ पूरा?
Chand is Punjabi for chata, guys.
For थप्पड़.
Yeah.
my dear
चांड खानी
my
है.
dear uncle, may he rest in peace. Love him.
मेरी माँ मेरे को दिन में एक बार तो पूछती है. So like,
Yeah, that's a fond memory I have.
but I hacked that.
Being
I
a-
stopped seeing her every day.
Of being a 4-year-old. Your mother?
Yeah.
Yeah, same. I haven't seen my father in since. When did I see him last? Saturday night.
96.
Saturday night
Okay.
I saw him last.
Okay.
4 days I haven't. Yeah.
Did he go out to get some milk?
I think I saw my mother yesterday, but I don't. Yeah, I just saw my mother yesterday.
मतलब आज माँ बाप से नहीं मिला. Wow.
आज मैं डैड से नहीं मिला. Well,
मतलब-
mom dad से तो मिला ही नहीं हूँ.
वही.
But I haven't seen my dad in 4 days. But listen, you don't need to see your family every day, man.
You remember their faces? Fuck you.
That's the propaganda, some bullshit. Listen.
For some reason, you have to sit and watch TV with them when they're staring at the TV and snoring, and they're not chatting. But it's family time for you to sit and watch TV with them. What?
I don't relate
वो
to
दोनों
that.
तो
We've never watched TV together
बचपन
as
में
a
ऐसे ही
family.
होता था. हाँ, वो बैठ के ऐसे वो दोनों खराटे ले रहे हैं, हम उठ के चले गए अपने कमरे में.
Correct.
हो गया family time. मतलब ऐसे
But
कुछ.
your parents are different in the sense that your mother is often up later than you are, something like that. Also, you were mentioning.
My
no?
parents are both
4 or
up
5
later.
a.m. No. Yeah.
Yeah.
Why? Well, my parents, like 1 a.m. if it's like a late night, but typically around midnight they're out. They're done. Good night. Peace out.
My parents are up till 3.
Oh, that's whack. Yeah.
They wake up also a little late. Probably
Yeah.
get up at 11, 10:30, 11.
No.
Different.
That's
Because my dad just
Yeah, they're already in office by
was
like
all
10,
freelance, so
10:30.
he just works on phone.
No,
with
but
the-
that's what it is. When you're your own boss, fuck
Yeah.
a schedule.
Yeah, same.
Yeah. Your old boss. The boss. Woo!
नहीं मेरी लाइफ कौन डिक्टेट कर रहा है?
कोई नहीं कर रहा, bro.
कौन कर रहा है?
It's a rudderless ship, by the way. There is no pilot unless you don't see some.
You are brotherless ship, okay? Don't call me brotherless ship.
If you think that there is someone driving this, it's a car crash.
You
It's-
brotherless
it's a
ship.
car crash waiting to happen.
My brother is in Spain.
Yeah, the pilot is.
I am this brother is in pain.
The driver has left the cockpit. Emergency evacuation. Yeah,
That's gay.
true. It is true. What about that fella? The fella, there's some German pilot, or was it? I don't know if it was a German pilot. Some American pilot came out and said, "Ki I was hallucinating because I ate mushrooms 2 days ago, and I was about to turn the engine off, and then the airline, the people. Did you see this whole thing? It came out.
नहीं लेकिन बड़ी low tolerance है इसकी यार.
बड़े भाई 2 दिन तक उसको मशरूम का भाई कहाँ से मिला मशरूम? ऐसे बताओ मेरे
कौन सा ऐसे
को तो
mushroom
4-5 घंटे नहीं बैठते. मैं खा गया. हाँ.
क्या एक शिटाकी खा के गांड फट गई? हैं? शिटाकी खाई शिटाकी चूतिया.
Cheesy.
ऐसे नूबड़ों को नहीं अलाउ करना चाहिए भाई.
I feel like this is a bit of a psyop. No, I think because so his story. Look at his story. His story is one of his friends committed suicide, so he was a little depressed, and he went to a psychiatrist. His psychiatrist didn't give him any medication, so he thought he'll self-medicate with some mushrooms. He ate mushrooms.
थॉट तो अच्छी है.
2 days later, he's still tripping in the cockpit, and he's about to turn the airplane off, and then he's go. I think it's a bit of a. I feel like they're fucking with us.
इनका ना ड्रग टेस्ट होना चाहिए.
Drug-
नॉट
हाँ.
व्हाट नॉट द रेगुलर ड्रग टेस्ट कि आपके खून में है कि नहीं. आपको पेपर देना चाहिए कि आप ड्रग्स लेने के काबिल हो या नहीं हो.
Correct.
मतलब वो ड्रग टेस्ट होना चाहिए, एक
Yes.
स्क्रीनिंग होना चाहिए. Should you ड्रग शुड बी लीगल फॉर एवरीबॉडी. भाई कई लोग बहुत अच्छा वॉल स्ट्रीट में देखो कितना पैसा बना रहे हैं कोकेन सूंघ के वाह वो इकोनॉमी चला रहे हैं उसका. ठीक है
Listen,
मतलब
yeah.
एक मतलब फंक्शनैलिटी भी होती है कई लोगों की.
No. Okay.
Can't relate.
Sure.
लेकिन उनका ड्रग
Listen,
टेस्ट करो.
Okay, yeah. Well, there's an objective criteria that you want to impose on everyone. There's called the SAT, standardized whatever the fuck aptitude test.
Yes.
Right? You have your
Yes,
math, you have your English, and you have reading skills.
Correct.
Okay, why not for drugs?
Correct.
Yes.
वही तो कह रहा हूँ.
SPT, standardized partying training.
नहीं पार्टी हेलो.
Hello.
Some people are taking it very seriously.
Productivity.
Productivity.
Okay. Think of an acronym. What's the acronym here? Standardized recreational drug or performance enhancing drug? PED. Well, some of these are PEDs. You saw how quickly on that substance for the slopes. The slopes, hitting the slopes.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
You saw how quickly I polished off. That night,
Yes.
when you left at 7 in the morning.
New ideas. Full from beginning to end. Like it's like wow. ये तो
Listen.
तैयार हो गया इस एपिसोड में डल गया.
Sometimes you just need a bit of the change in the weather. You need some snow.
I want to say standardized something with E.
E.
Endo something training. क्या कहते हैं? Standardized.
Endorphin बोलते हैं.
कुछ होगा क्योंकि मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ.
नहीं, but it is exogenous. Endogenous is inside. Endogenous is inside your body. Exogenous
Is outside. हाँ
is
वो
outside. Yes.
मैं कोई इंजेक्शन का क्योंकि यार मैं चाहता हूँ ये एक्रोनिम SET सेट हो.
SET set.
सेट कि आप सेट हो सकते हो if you pass this test. You know, permission to get. It's either set or it's turned, and I don't want to think of an acronym for turned. Okay, TURNT. Fucking nightmare. I'm out of here.
Yeah. But in any case,
Testing
there needs to be
Testing under rigorous. Testing under rigorous.
narcotic
Narcotic
tolerance
Yeah.
under rigorous narcotic
Testing.
no tolerance under rigorous narco I'm fucking up again.
Ridiculous.
Become a Chinaman. Fucking up my R's with the L's. Yeah. Testing under rigorous narcotic tenure
Tenacity. Tensile strength. मैं कुछ ऐसे कुछ सोच रहा हूँ.
In any case, yeah, we should be
Right.
Yeah, drugs.
Anyone has an acronym for turned?
Turned.
Please let us know.
In the comments.
Although even if you don't, it's still our success because that means 100% of the times we've asked for a comment, we have not received that specific comment ever. So keep up the trend. Every time I look at the camera, I'm like, guys, किसी के पास अगर होगा कोई जवाब कोई नहीं देता.
Hey, listen, let's appreciate the fans in the comments. Elaichi Chai, you love commenting about Rifsu. He's dead. He's never coming back.
By the way, I hate Elaichi Chai. Like
Stop
objectively.
it. He's not coming back. He's left. Listen, no, the thing is, we've kicked him out. Okay, we've kicked him out.
We're done.
He's requested to come back, but we don't listen. We've had it. We've had it with these minorities dictating the terms of our nation's history, trajectory, future, past, present.
और नहीं तो क्या? Bloody black people.
I've had too much of a say. Yeah. We've had enough. He'll come back. We'll bring him back a couple of months from now. Just
Will we?
I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway. To appease there's some losers.
Him mostly.
Yeah. To appease
him and Elaichi Chai.
To appease some of the losers, we got an episode banked, which is a shit episode. The reason is why it's banked.
I've always fucking hated Elaichi Chai, like objectively. Even when like my buas both love Elaichi Chai when they come from Kuwait. They say घर में रोज Elaichi Chai बनती. I hate it.
But it's not only Elaichi Chai. It's going to be Malaichi. It's going to be
Malaichi Rora Khan.
Malaichi
Rora, not Khan anymore. Yes.
It's gonna be a couple of spices, right? With the Elaichi.
Sure.
It's gonna be Elaichi, cardamom.
You're thinking of a regular masala tea.
Correct.
I'm thinking of an Elaichi tea.
I've never heard it. I've never
which is
had
more
it
of a
pure
focus on Elaichi. Yes.
That's gay.
It has some of the masalas, वगैरह, but Elaichi is the dominant in that. Yes.
Yeah, I can't imagine appreciating.
I hate Elaichi in
just
biryani. I hate it in this. Whatever. I don't. Elaichi is not my scene.
You don't want to chew on the elaichi, but I
No.
think the elaichi adds good flavor on the whole.
Depends. I've had the best biryanis I've ever had in my life are elaichi less.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, I can't.
No. It's bio vegetarian, you won't know.
Yeah. So,
So, bas?
I'm ready to start bot fishing. Let's go.
You've been butt fishing for years, but okay. Like, sure, I mean, hey man. Whatever floats your boat.
Listen.
No. I don't feel like it actually. Why should I?
Listen,
The
I
bowl,
feel-
lick in the bowl, lick in the bowl.
Modi's gonna take a page from take a page from the Taliban's book.
Which page particularly? That's always the fucking problem, no? Because they have such great noble thoughts. 5 of them interspersed through the rest of their ideology. Which page do I take?
There's a fair bit. Just chopping of the hands, the women in cages. Let's go.
The chori thing is pretty cool. मतलब जो अरबी वैसे शरिया का वो है
Ah,
कि आप चोरी करो तो आपका हाथ काटा जाएगा. वाओ.
Correct.
आप रेप करो आपका लोड़ा काटा जाएगा. वाओ.
अब एक बात बता. अब मैंने चोरी करी है
Congrats.
ऑनलाइन.
अफगानिस्तान मत जा.
हैक करके बैंक
अच्छा.
अकाउंट. अब भी मेरे पैर हाथ काटा जाएगा कि मेरा
नहीं,
दिमाग
नहीं.
काटा जाएगा?
तेरा वाईफाई काटेंगे ना.
Wi-Fi काट
और
दे.
नहीं तो क्या?
Okay, there you go. Will that make sense?
Justice.
Cut off that internet connection.
हाँ. But forever.
But forever, yes.
समझ आए? तेरे को वाईफाई ट्रांसप्लांट कराना पड़ेगा. You'll have to move to a different carrier. No more Airtel for you.
Transplant.
हाँ.
Yeah. I like it. I like it.
Uh-huh.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for coming and fuck off.
हाँ, माँ चुदाओ.
Fair enough.